Hey everybody, just wanted to show you my new toy. My car started to break down and decided it was time to get a new one, so present to you the new wagon, Dodge Magnum, the Hemi. It's been custom painted, been lowered with Viper suspension. That's cool. It's very, very low. You can barely even see into it. Let's see. It's got Magnum flow exhaust, a hyper chip, and it's beautiful, truthfully. It's got the standard dash, the weird shifter where you can shift into gears by taking this, putting it into drive, and tapping left or right to get it to start. Let's hear the engine how. Yes, I love the engine sound. Take a listen. Sounds pretty good, don't you think? Take a look under the engine here. We got the Hemi V8, the hyper chip. I have no clue how it works. It looks like it sparks in the intake. The battery's not actually there. It's actually in the trunk, which is crazy. Battery's actually, if you pull this up, and then let's move the amp real quick. I haven't installed a stereo system. They're actually going to go in these pockets here. I gotta get some fiberglass kits and make them. Spare tire and the battery's in the trunk, so setting up an amp's going to be really, really simple. It's a very fast car. I thought it was pretty slow when I first tested it, but it's a lot faster now. I'm going to go ahead and leave you with the exhaust, just so you can get a nice sound. I don't think it's going to stand. There we go. There you have it, my 2005 Dodge Magnum. Thanks.